guys, Leo. It's a little dark in here. Think that's gonna work. Oh, it's made a little bit different. Alright, we're gonna Leo. Nate again. We're gonna attempt to take apart the fucking transmission today. Get a little buff here. Anyways, try to take apart the transmission, and I'll show y'all in a second. So here it is. I'm trying to take apart the last piece of my drag shaft right here. Fuck, took a picture. Right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right here is cracked. Right here is cracked. And if I move it, it has. There it is. See all that crack? When I move it, it got a lot of fucking play in it. So we're gonna try to take this guibo off and replace it with a new one that I have, and then clean up the transmission. You're gonna need a size. I don't know, it's old as fuck. My grandpa. You're gonna need a size 10 Allen key and a 17 or 18 millimeter wrench in order to take it off. I should have taken this off a long time ago when it was on the car, because now it's really hard because this thing's gonna keep spinning and shit. So if that's the case, I need to find something to keep it stable so I don't fuck it up. Yeah, I'm gonna go and dive into this. Hopefully somebody can hold this and watch me. But we're gonna dive into this shit real quick. This is the Get Rag transmission, not a ZF transmission. Short shifter right here. It's a little bit bent, but it's whatever. It's not super damaged. And then this is my old M50 D25 with the blown head gasket. Bad. Over here, this is the pressure plate, and well, one of the two, pressure plate, whatever. I forget what this is. But either way, it's got no paddings on it. And as you can see here, the clutch has no padding. It's got a whole bunch of heat scars on it. So clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, none of that shit good. So gotta get rid of it. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into this and I'll get back with y'all in a second. Alright guys, finally got the fucking guibo shit off. There's a better way of showing it. It's all torn to pieces and cracked and just abused. This is what happens when you buy a fucking E36 from a fucking noob who burns out on a welded diff and doesn't know how to fucking burn out or drift. This is what happens. And not even that, my fucking drive shaft is missing a fat ass chunk right there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's focused. Hold up, let me focus. Alright, so right there, I'm missing a fat ass chunk where that rubber grommet is supposed to be, and then the centerpiece of that drive shaft. I'm missing a fat ass chunk of metal. So I gotta go pick up another one of these motherfuckers. Might as well just get a one-piece drive shaft at this point. Since two-piece, like this two-piece that I have is really shit now. Yeah, now that the bolts are off, I'll put this shit over here with the rest of the fucking shit. Now we take, throw this out actually. Just put this over here. Shit, you and me both. Now we're gonna take this, spray it off, and clean it off. And it's cleaned up. A lot better than it was before. The inside's still dirty, but I'm not about to go scrubbing inside that shit. Fuck, it's hot. Transmission clean, sway bars clean. I gotta figure out what the fuck to do with this shit right here. And then all the other spare parts for the motor and my radiator. And then Nate and his girl are fucking shit up with the motor.
Go ahead and take that cam out.
This is the life of car enthusiasts, and it's awesome.
There it goes.
So right now, disassembling the engine, taking out the head, well, cam tray studs. It's just gonna take forever right now. Oh well. 4 down, 3 down.
This, you don't really have to record it. This is just for
Yeah, this is all
purposes.
fucking
This is all recycling
boring
purposes.
shit, but it's still interesting. It's still content though. So we took out
Did you reverse it?
3 cam tray studs, and we got like 24 more to go, or 23 more to go. And then these are the cams that I'm getting for that motor if it's still good. If not, we're still gonna keep them for another motor. But hopefully we can rebuild this motor, make a 2.8 liter or 3 liter, one of the two. So it's not my diff, but we are welding this diff.
Not really.
Cam trays, cams, motor, transmission's all cleaned up. Fucked up drive shaft. More cam trays and M52 cams. Alright, so like I was saying, if my motor is still good, we can take all the shit out of it, take all the pistons, the rods, the crankshaft, all the block, take that whole block down to the machine shop, get it bored and hung out, put it back together, new M52 cams on the top side, new head, new cams, new cam trays. Hopefully maybe new pistons and rods, depending on if my pistons and rod are bad. Have to get new pistons and rods. So who knows? Hopefully everything's good, crossing my fingers. But it's all fun and games and it's all learning. So I got a lot of stuff that's still good and a lot of stuff that isn't good. So all the stuff that isn't good we're gonna mark down and hopefully get the new ones, but all good. Yee! Disassemble, motherfuckers! In order, bearing, shaft, and fucking
Say no. Just say
I forgot what that was called. Anyways, block's over here. We're not saving it. Are we saving the block?
My block?
I'm
gonna sell it. So the block's still good. I don't. Yeah, fuck that. I don't even want to. Honestly, I don't want to do that shit.
Now to lift this bitch up. After we take that shit out. Hey guys. Old other M50 torn apart. All in order. Fucking, what is it called? The crank?
Crankshaft, rod bearings, weight bearings are ready just for your motor, just in case your motor's fucked.
Yeah, so we're saving this just in case the fucking bearings and shit is all fucked up and scarred. My motor's right here. We're not taking it apart tonight. We're tired. It's 7 o'clock. I'm finna go make some fried chicken, cornbread, mac and cheese, and all that good shit, and get wasted. And we'll come back tomorrow and pick this shit up. Thank you to my brother Nathan and his girlfriend. We are done for tonight, and we're gonna keep these M52 cams for me, my new motor, so that my cams are running stronger, sounds a lot better, and it's a lot more time. Here's the motor right now. Still, tomorrow we're gonna clean this whole shit up, clean it up, sand it down, take everything apart, repaint it black on the bottom. I'm gonna take the valve cover and I'm gonna paint that myself and probably put some glitter onto it. But either way, valve cover getting repainted and the block's gonna get repainted after it's back from machine shop if it has to go there. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. My boy Nathan in the back, my brother. I'm Leo. Thank you for watching my vlogs, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Keep rocking on.